Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be stuffing my everyday cash spending wallet. What that is just a wallet that I have certain category envelopes in that I have money dedicated to each category that I can spend in. Once that money is gone, no more spending out of that category. So that is what we're going to be doing today. Going to be adding to my savings challenges, as you can see here. And I got to get rid of some coin because my purse is getting heavy. So if that is something, guys, that you want to check out and see what I got going on with that, and also if you need to do your cash envelope stuffing also, please stay tuned. So I already done my paycheck budget, y'all, but I haven't had time to finish editing. So I needed to get cash in this envelope because, like I always be saying, I gotta go grocery shopping. Little buddy need his applesauce, his little bougie applesauce. He don't eat the Great Value brand. All right, so what I'm going to do first, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get rid of this coin so that I can pretty much have some room here. These coin banks, I just got these from actually the dollar store. These little coin banks are pretty much a hit and miss because sometimes they have them, sometimes they don't, and you just never know when they're going to have them. So that is, so I need to get rid of this. And this coin here, guys, that I have is just basically the coins that I keep after, you know, I go to the store, and all of the money that I spend out of my cash envelope wallet, I just put it in that coin purse. So when I go to the store and they tell me that the price is, what do you say, like $9.25, and they'll be like, do you got 25 cents? I'll be like, nope, I don't have 25 cents. But as you can see, I have a bunch of coins. But what I do is I just keep it because, y'all, this coin, I'm dropping it like I don't know what. This coin adds up because what I do with the coin is, like, once it starts to accumulate, till it gets to a certain point where, you know, I don't feel overwhelmed that I'm going to be rolling it, because I always hand roll it. But what I'll do is I will roll it up, and then I will put it towards, like, credit card debt or savings or something like that. So that way you can utilize your coin. So that's why I always keep it, and then I just let it kind of pile up, and I don't do but yeah, I got 25 cents when they ask me. I just basically be like, no, just take it out of the $10 bill so I can get my change back. Yeah, so all right, so I am dropping money here. Okay, all right, so we are pretty much done. I'm going to set these to the side here. All right, so let's do that. Let's put this. Now we have a little bit more room. All right, let me bring my wallet back. Okay, so let's go ahead and hop into our cash stuffing. I do get a lot of questions of how I know what to stuff. A good thing is, basically, once you're going to have to kind of eyeball it and kind of figure it out, like the first couple times that you're doing it. But just pay attention to what you stuffed last week, how much you have left. So that's why I always like to do unstuffings, and I like to keep this where I have left over on my budget sheet. So that way I can kind of look and say, like, hey, I put $40 in my, you know, in my gas envelope, and I only had like $5. So that way you can kind of gauge for your next cash stuff, and like, hey, I need to do $50, a little bit more than what I did last time because I barely made it to my to my next cash stuffing. So that's kind of like a little way you can kind of, you know, kind of like figure it out. It's never going to be perfect, but you can have like a kind of like of a small system to have. All right, so today we're going to be stuffing $342 for our bi-weekly cash envelope stuffing. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 300, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42. All right, so let's go ahead and put our cash in our cash tray. And y'all, it is starting to get cool outside. I mean, it's still kind of warm, but it's getting cool and it's not blazing hot. So y'all, that is exciting. And I still have the cash that I did for my my unstuffing of my 50/50 envelope challenge. So I will be doing a video dispersing that. So make sure that you are subscribed, notifications, so that when that video comes up, you can see what I did with the money that I took out of my 50/50 envelope boxes. And plus I redid my sinking funds binders. So yeah, so make sure you subscribe and you have the notifications, y'all. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead. So boba, we are going to do $7 in boba. Y'all know what boba is, bubble tea. So we got 5, 6, 7, so that is $7. And I'm unstuffing my wallet today because I've already done that. So make sure that you follow me on my TikTok and my Instagram because I do unstuffings on there also. It's called APinkeClothlife. All right, so let me take this out. And like I said, we don't need to do anything with leftover because we already done that. All right, so that is going to give us $7 for boba. All right, so we have Crisp. Crisp is not getting any cash today. Yeah, no cash for the salad place, none today. All right, okay, so next we have Gas. So Gas is going to get $50 for this week. So we are actually going to do 2 20s and a 10. 20, 40, 50. And I have been going to Kroger's to utilize and to take advantage of the fuel points that they have, because when you buy groceries, sometimes they have specials where you get 2 times the gas, or you get like 100 free bonus points or something like that. So I started trying to go to Kroger's to go grocery shopping. All right, so for Eat Out, we are actually going to do 20. Now I did add a little bit extra to groceries because I want to try to cook more so that we're not eating out more. So oh, and I didn't put 50. So that's my mindset for that, but y'all know how that goes. You have one of those lazy days and it's through the drive-through you go, right? All right, so next we have Beauty. So Beauty, I don't need anything for that. I think I'm pretty much set and pretty much good for beauty stuff. So we're just gonna do $5 today for Beauty. That'll give us $5. So Dollar Tree, we're only gonna do $5 too. Don't really need too much from the dollar store. So that will go with that. So that is $5. Okay, so next we have Aiden. So Aiden will get $10. So we're just going to do a $10 bill, and Aiden will get more money when I do my cash stuffing, where I guess my dispersing of my funds that I had for my 50 envelope challenge. So he will get more in his savings sinking funds binder. So Giving, we already have $5. So I am going to put this 5 here. All right, so we're going to add $5 to Giving. So we got 5, 10. And as you guys can see, like my everyday spending wallet doesn't have a lot of cash in it, because I don't put too much in there because I know I'm gonna be like, well, I got $30. I got $30 to spend. So I've been trying to keep it like right at that borderline so that I can pretty much, you know, not really spend it if I don't need to spend it. Because remember the Dollar Tree, I used to put $20 in there, but now I don't know. I just don't have the urge to like just go in there and like, I do window shopping at the Dollar Tree. So yeah, I do window shopping a lot of the times. All right, so household, we got $20 that we're going to be adding to that. So we're going to do 110. 110 does not equal to 20. All right, so we're going to do one $20 bill. And I'm still doing pretty good with the paper towels and the toilet tissue and everything like that, but I'm going to make sure that next time I'm going to roll this over to the next cash stuffing so that I can start piling up the cash, so that when I need to re-up on the toilet paper and the paper towels, I'll have that in there, because I started getting it at Sam's and it has lasted a long time. All right, so personal, I'm only going to give myself $20 because I'm going to tell you guys what I'm going to reward myself with when I do my stuffing for my other thing. So only getting $20 for this day. All right, so for groceries, we are actually going to be doing a little bit more. So we're going to be doing $125. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and then 20, and then we'll do a 5. So that is $125, because little buddy got like an inch of milk in the carton, and he's like I'm getting low. I'm like, yeah, buddy, because you're drinking all of the vitamin D milk. That's why it's low. All right, so we got budgeting. We're just gonna do $5. I just basically got my Hobonichi in the mail, my Hobonichi cousin for 2023. I got the English version. And I probably will do a video to show you guys, because a lot of you guys asked me about my Hobonichi cousin. So I probably will do a video showing you guys what it looks like before the pen, right? Before the pen. All right, so we are pretty much done with my everyday cash spending wallet. That was super easy peasy, right? All right, so next we have our savings. That's where we're gonna be adding cash to. So I am actually going to be doing my new little savings. It's the $1,000 savings challenge. Just an easy, quick, not easy, quick, but a non-stressful way to save $1,000. You don't have to have a time limit to do this. You don't have to say I have to do it every day, every week. You just do it whenever you have an extra 40 bucks. That's all it is. All right, so but it's just made cute and fun for you. So we're gonna do 20, 40, and we're gonna go ahead and mark this off. And plus, y'all, this is so compact. You can just like stick her and you can hide her anywhere, you know. All right, so we're gonna go to the next $40 and we're gonna put 40 in there, and then that's what we got going on so far. So just by doing 2 of these, I've already saved almost $100, and we got $80. So easy peasy, nothing stressful. And I'm just doing this whenever I get the chance. And that was the key thing I did with my 50 envelopes challenge. I just did it whenever I had extra money. I didn't make a set schedule of when I was going to do it, because that's too much. That's stressful. Okay, so this is my 52 weeks savings challenge binder. I did take the paper out because I was like, well, let me just try it without the paper. I do like it without the paper, but it does, you can remove it, or you can put it back in, or you can put your own paper inside of it. Totally up to you. All right, so I keep my 52 weeks. I've like worn this little planner out and my little tab is tearing. Okay, so we are on week 29, so we need to put $30 in our binder. So that is what, and I probably will end up putting this in my 2023 Hobonichi Weeks planner again, which I did like how this worked out, because I can actually see exactly what I got going on, and I will definitely be doing this challenge next year. Okay, so let's go ahead. So we have 20, 30. So let's go ahead and fold this the way we need to fold it. All right, and we are going to go to week 29, $30. We are on track. I was trying to make sure I did that correctly. All right, there we go. All right, so we just have this more weeks left, and then y'all, then once we get this done, we can do an unstuffing of our 52 weeks savings challenge. Now this 52 weeks savings challenge is a little bit extra, because I know you're probably wondering, why is it 32 and it's not 32? Because I add an extra $1 to each day, so that way you can have a little bit more saved for your challenge. I always do that. Always doing something, like adding something. All right, guys, so that is the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and if you can just give me a thumbs up, or if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you felt like it was informational to you guys, just let me know, post in the comments. And thank you guys so much for chilling with me. And also make sure you follow me on my Instagram. It's called 𝗗𝗚𝗏𝗡𝗏𝗏𝗏, and my TikTok is called 𝗗𝗚𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. And then, like I always say, oh yeah, and I am going to be having, I think probably Wednesday or Thursday, I am going to be having some new binders coming. The other ones are, the pre-orders are still trucking its way here, and I am like, y'all have no idea. All right, but the other ones are here, they're coming. So thank you guys so much. So make sure you just check that out, and then like I always say, until next time guys, peace.